BaseCamp is a great project management software, both for an agency like myself and for clients. So here's a quick tutorial on how to add a link to Google Drive in your BaseCamp account. So I get here, this is one client, I go to Docs and Files, and then I click New. Then I can scroll down and click Google Drive. And if I have a folder that has images or just a Drive account, I can call it whatever I want, and I can paste the link right in there, and it will automatically update accordingly. And then that will make a link to a specific page. So let's say I wanted to make a link to this specific agreement just so it was in the files. I could copy this URL, go back here, paste it in just like this, call it 2025. It automatically changes to a doc, and then I click post this. Now I want to make sure this is the agency side. I want to see the client to see this as well. I can click on allow client to see and then post. Now when someone goes to when the client goes to the Docs and Files, they'll be able to see that agreement. They'll be able to click in it and then click view on Google, and it'll open up in a new tab. And that is how you share a doc in BaseCamp to Google Drive. Thanks.